Hey peeps, in today's video we're going to be making some custom signs inspired by the fall and spooky season. And to create them we'll be using our Monport ONYX 55 watt CO2 laser. So let's get to the project. In order to make our sign, we'll be using LightBurn, and the first thing we're going to do is trace our ghost drawing. Our plan for this sign is to engrave the ghost on wood, and we want to cut the sign in a shape that goes around the ghost, so we'll create an offset. We will also be adding text later, so we'll create a space for that. Now we're going to go ahead and add text and pick a font. We want our letters to be 3D, so we're actually going to be cutting them from other wood and then gluing them on individually to the sign. We're making sure the placement of everything in our design is good, and then we can weld together the outlines. Also, we're going to create some circle cutouts so we can hang the sign later. We're going to also duplicate this text so we can engrave them lightly on this wood so later we can line up everything easier. And we're just making this an offset so it's a little bit smaller than the cutout so we don't see any of the engraving peeking through. Finally, we're just going to adjust the settings of our cuts and engravings. Once we wiped off all the charring from the engraving, we noticed the ghost didn't go very deep in the wood, so it's not super noticeable, so we're just going to paint it in. We also could have used powder coat. Now we're going to create another sign, and for this one we'll layer a design over a pumpkin silhouette. so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And once again, we used our Monport ONYX 55 watt CO2 laser to engrave all of the different pieces. We'll have the link to it in the description, and our code is anonymous10 for 10% off.